Hello friends, welcome. In this video, you will learn how to create a marketing campaign dashboard in the Power BI. This is a online grocery shopping store dataset where we order different items. We see the campaign analysis of this. Before explaining this dashboard, let's see the first data. This data is stored in Excel file. Count of row is 1001. It is a good amount of data we have. Total 11 columns are there in this data set. We go one by one. Campaign ID, product name, category, ad spend, impressions, clicks, conversions, revenue, returns of investment, campaign date, marketing channel. Let me go to the Power BI desktop application. Right side of the dashboard, 8 KPIs are there. We will go one by one. This one is total ad spend. In this measure, we can see the total spend on advertisement across all the campaigns. Total ad spend is 2.42 million. This one is total click. In this measure shows the 12 millions of times users clicked on ads. This one is conversion measure. 1 million of successful action like purchase, sign up, etc. after clicking on an ad. This one is impression. This measure is impression. 242 millions of times an ad was displayed to the users. It shows ad reach and exposure to potential customer. This measure is returns on ad spend. This is a key of profitability matrix to measure the campaign success. 142.51 rupees revenue generated per rupees spent on advertisement. This one is this measure is click-through rate. 5.09% of user who clicked on ad after seeing it. I show the measure. Okay, this one is the formula. Its division function is used to this formula. This is the formula. Okay, next one is conversion rate measure. The conversion rate measure is calculated. 9.81% of user who converted after clicking an ad. This one. I will show the measure conversion rate. I using this formula divide formula to sum of the conversation divided by sum of the clicks into 100. Last measure is cost per 1000 impression. It helps to analyze the cost efficiency of reaching a large audience. I will show the measure. This one is the measure. Divide function, sum of the total spend divided by sum of the impression into 1000. This chart is aerial line chart, ad spend versus conversion over time. I will show from visualization. This one, area chart. In area chart, I took x-axis in campaign date, y-axis spend and conversion. This chart helps to identify the trends in spending and its impact to conversions. This is a line and stacked column chart I show from the visualization, this one. In this, for x-axis I took a campaign date, column y-axis is spend, and line y-axis is revenue. This chart helps to compare marketing investment to how much revenue earned. Okay. This is a donut chart. From visualization, this one is the donut chart. Marketing channel versus the ad spend. We can see the which marketing channels are receiving the highest spend. We can also filter and see the which marketing channels are performing better, like this. We can see the which marketing channel is performing better. This is a clustered bar chart. From visualization, this one is the clustered bar chart. Y-axis I took a campaign date and x-axis impression and clicks. It shows the how impressions compare to actual clicks, actual user clicks. Clicks are too low compared to impression. It is a multi-slicer to filter the data for different product categories. We can identify which product category performs best in terms of CTR, conversion rate, and returns of ad spend. This is how I created the marketing campaign dashboard in Power BI. Friends, I hope you like this video. Please hit like button. Please subscribe my channel to get the regular updates of my channel. Thank you.